68 days left before the general election. Political parties are from today expected to start submitting their party nomination rules to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. The exercise, which will take 14 days, is expected to end on the 2nd of March. According to the electoral body, all political parties are required to submit their nomination requirements within those days. IEBC has directed all concerned parties to be in strict compliance of the nomination timelines. All right, so right now we wanted to have a conversation with Dan Manzo, who's a member of parliament for Makueni. He's joining me live from Mombasa County. Thank you so much for joining us on News Center. First things first, there's this survey that is saying that Kenyans really are an angry lot, and some of the members of parliament will not be coming back to office, especially those who defected from Jubilee from ODM to Jubilee. I don't know what your analysis is about this. You know that some of the members of parliament will not be coming back because they basically did not deliver.
Yes, it is true. Any member of parliament who misused CDF particularly is going to be in trouble, even if they go for party nominations, or even if the party leaders are taking care of them, because ordinarily 80% of members of parliament don't go back, and the biggest cause is misuse of CDF.
All right, let's talk about this new development of a lacuna in the electoral law.
Before the election, and they must submit a supporters list of 1,000 names who are people not affiliated to any party or not registered to any party. And therefore, for you to participate in nomination, you've got to be in a political party 120 days before the beginning of the last 90 days. Therefore, that particular wind, though some people think there's a lacuna, it doesn't really exist. But the lacuna exists if your political party conducts primaries quite early. Then you can, if you have lost, then you can belong to another political party, or you have a chance to become an independent candidate. But once you participate in primaries of a party, it is a little difficult. The current law and the regulations which we are finalizing now, as a parliament, does not allow one to really defect. So that lacuna could easily be imaginary. It exists in law, but practically it may be very limited unless one's political party conducts party nominations too early so that they give a wind. And I don't think any political party will do that. Most political parties will conduct their party nominations just about the expiry of the 90 days period just before the elections.
All right, thank you very much. Before I let you go, I'd just like to hear a comment in regards to the voter registration exercise. You are in the opposition, and seemingly the numbers are not really looking good for the opposition, especially in the opposition stronghold. The numbers are not looking really good.
Yes, they are not, and that's why with the Mutata ruling, it's now people have a window for those who had not collected their ID cards, because their ID is developed. For the political, there is that particular window they can benefit. If they pick their IDs now, they can still register for quite some time now before it is totally shut down. But there's still a window of the opposition areas. People who had not registered as voters still to register.
All right, thank you very much, Dan Manzo there, the Makueni Member of Parliament, speaking to us from Mombasa. All right, so we want to take a break on News Center. We'll be coming back in a few minutes to continue with our coverage here. So don't go away. Remember, we have our Twitter poll, and we're asking you if you are satisfied with the level of preparation by the IEBC for the general election come August 8th. That is our Twitter poll. At Betty M. Kello is my Twitter handle, and you can also tweet me hashtag News Center. I'll be taking a look at your responses when we come back from the break. So don't go away, we'll be right back.